Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel. Today I'll be teaching us how to print a premium name. In Nigeria what we currently have is NIN slip, where you are given a slip with your NIN number, but today I'll be teaching us how to convert our NIN slip into a premium NIN so as you can laminate it into a form of a card. So what actually is a premium NIN? A premium NIN is a well formatted NIN that has your NIN number, and you can easily print and laminate it like a card. That is what the premium NIN is. You can easily carry it along like a card, and it is well recognized. You can use it for any kind of verification in the bank, in any place. It is widely acceptable. Yes. So today I'll be showing you how to print or how to convert your NIN number or your NIN slip into your premium NIN. So first thing first, if you are using a smartphone, then the first process of going about it, I will teach us. You can do it either on a computer or on your smartphone. If you are using a smartphone, this is the method I'll be teaching us today. But if you don't have a smartphone and you have a laptop, a computer, then you can still do it by going to the NIN website. I think it's nimc.gov.ng, and you follow the same procedure, but this example is for those that are using their smartphone. So the first thing you do is download and install NIMC personal ID app. Once you go to the Play Store, I think it is available in the Google Play Store and also in iOS too, so that for those that are using iPhone and those that are using Android, this app is available. So you can go to, the name of the app is NIMC personal ID app. So once you type NIMC personal ID app, you see it. It looks it looks exactly like this. Then you install it from the Google Play Store. After you have downloaded that app and installed the NIMC app, the next thing you do is you log in with your NIN number, because you already have your NIN number. So open the app. It will ask you to log in. Since you are coming in for the first time, it will ask you for your NIN number. So you log in with your NIN number, or you register with your NIN number. So after you have registered with your NIN number and you have logged in with your NIN number, sometimes it will ask you for your NIN number and your surname, so as to authenticate that it is actually you, right? So once you have done that, then the next thing you do is before you go towards printing your NIN slip, what you have to do first of all, you have to generate your user ID and an OTP, because before you can generate your premium name, you have to generate a user ID and an OTP code. These are the two authentication that you need before you can generate a premium name. And how do you get a user ID and OTP code? So still, if you are making use of a phone, I will show you. This is the process. So to generate this code from any phone, type this code. Type *346*2* your NIN number, then hash. Then send the send code. Then the code will generate you your user ID and an OTP code. So once you type *346*2* your NIN number hash, then you generate a user ID and OTP code. Write it down, because these are the code that you will use to generate your premium name. Now once you are done generating your user ID and an OTP code, the next thing you do is, now on the app, click on print NIN slip. You see options. There are several options, but one of the options is print NIN slip. Once you click on print NIN slip, enter your user ID and the OTP that you were given after you have generated you put in the listen code. Now click on print premium NIN. Once you click on print premium NIN, remember that you will be charged 1,000 naira for to generate your premium NIN. So once you pay, the payment process will take you through an easy payment means using remitter, if you are used to or you know about remitter. So that is the process that it will take you through. So you pay through remitter. So once your payment has been confirmed, then your NIN slip will be available for you to print. So once you pay the amount, the NIN slip will be generated. It is just like this, exactly like this. Very easy and very sweet and very easy. So once you generate it, you can download it. After you download it, then you can take it to any business center and laminate it. Then you can use it for any kind of validations, authentications in the bank, anywhere. It's widely acceptable and it's good. So once you are done, voila. So that is how it is done. So catch you next time. Remember always to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing you more exciting stuff. Ciao. Catch you next time. Thank you all.